Character AI tutorial. Create a chatbot with Character AI. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you could use Character AI to create your very own Character AI, which is an AI to talk to, basically a chatbot. So let's get started. What you're going to do is go to character.ai, which is a website which we are accessing right now. And I will be showing you the process of creating your very own chatbot. Now, before we start with that, actually, let us first explore the different things and explain what you could do with Character AI. Now, basically, in Character AI, like the name suggests, you will be able to have a character as an AI wherein you will be able to talk to them as well. For example, over here on the featured, you have Stella, Raiden Shogun, Mario, you have a psychologist over here, Elon Musk, and many more that are AI, but the way they talk are tailored to the specific name or the specific type of AI that they are. For example, in psychologists, they will be able to, or the AI will talk as if they are a psychology. You have Elon Musk over here, which will also talk the way Elon Musk would talk. But that depends also on the creator of this chatbot. When the different settings that they tweak might be different from the real life. But you get the idea, you will be able to create your own personalized AI bot that you could talk different things about, and you could even instruct two different AIs to talk to each other. So to get started with the creation of your character, you're going to look over here on the left side. You have this option, create. So simply click on the option create, and you have two options over here. You have the option to create a character or create a room. You're going to have to go with the create a character option over here. So simply click this and you will be able to begin. Now, right now, these are just basic settings, basic information that you could add or create for your character. So let's start right away. You have here as number one, you have Bob. So we can enter Bob as our name for our character, but this is where you're going to put in the name of your AI. You could use any name that you want, but for me, I'm going to choose Bob as the name of my character. You can also check out this character over here if you want more information about character creation. You can see here, if you're a bit confused on creating your AI, you will have like a basic information over here, which I'm basically going to show either way. So after putting in the name, you could have here greeting. Right now, the default greetings is I am Bob, and I could add how are you doing right now. And you could put in any type of greeting that you want. This isn't really that important because this is just the default information or the default message that the character AI will send to you once you begin your conversation. So, for example, you started the chat, it will automatically send whatever you put in the greetings as its initial message. You can also, over here on the third option, toggle image generation. So you will be able to generate image with this chatbot. So if you are familiar with Midjourney or Blue Willow or any of this AI image generator, you will be able to typically ask the AI to generate the image for you by entering a prompt. You will be able to do this with Character AI that you are creating as well, as long as you enable it, of course. And you have here visibility, who will be able to talk to Bob. You have public, wherein anyone can chat. Unlisted, anyone with the link can chat, or just me. And now you have your avatar over here. You can only or either upload your own photo, or you could create an image using AI image generator. So I'm going to enter Bob, click on create, and it will create some avatars for us to use using AI. So let's simply wait for a photo that this will be produced. As you can see, it's not really the idea that I have in mind, but let's click on create again. And let's wait for the output. Again, not the same idea that I have in mind. But anyway, let's settle down with the next picture for now so we could move on to the next topic. Let's settle with this one for now. click on set avatar. And now we have that as the avatar of our character or AI. After that, you have the option to simply create and chat right away. But you can also edit details, which is for the advanced. And the difference is, as you can see, there will be more information that you could add. The additional information that you have is like the short description. How would Bob describe themselves? So we could say, Bob is a gym rat who always go to the gym. Then you have your long description over here. You could create a longer description of the short description over here. Maybe go on with more details and stuff. You also have categories over here. You have action or the specific category that your AI that you are creating is located or within. So let's say since Bob is someone who goes to the gym, we could go with fitness. If fitness is available here, you are fitness. Then you could add search is gym available here. No, it's not. We could go with action as well. And we could go with motivational since people who go to the gym can be motivational. But aside from that, let's settle with that for now. You can also set or select a default voice for your character. You could click this, and as you can see, there's a lot of options that you have. For example, let's go with a very simple one over here, guy. Then we can click on play.
I am Bob. How are you doing right now?
That's the AI voice that our character Bob will be using. And you have here your image generator, image style that will be added to every image generation description. So if you want the generation to be cartoonic, you can always put it over here so it will maintain that style for every photo that you will ask this character to produce. Aside from that, you have your visibility, definition of visibility, it's the same, and you have your definition over here, example conversation and information to define your character. So the first 15 to 30 messages are important. So for example, you could say Bob is a very motivational person, but this is more on a description though. So right now, recognize example text, example conversation, and information to define your character. You could put this as long as you're following the example over here. But let's settle with that for now. After this, you will simply click on save or cancel over here on the bottom right. Assuming we click on save, as you can see, updating our character, and it's asking us to wait. So let's finish it up. Let's wait for it to finish up saving our character, and there we go. Successfully updated our character. Now after you do this, you can simply click on back, and you can now click on create and chat, and enter greetings. It resetted our character over here. Let's see if it was able to save at the home page. Let's wait for it to load because it seems we started our progress in the create part. So let's check if it will be available in the home page of our character AI over here. So let's give it some time. And now over here, I think our character was not saved, unfortunately. But you guys, you understand the process that we were doing earlier. Simply follow the process. Let's say we were able to complete that. So let's go over here and let's say Bob again. And assuming we did everything that we just did earlier, let's simply click on create and chat. And basically, there we go. We now have our AI over here. So, hi, how are you doing? And you now have someone to talk to, especially if you characterize or add enough description about your character. But after that, you will now be able to see them on your home page. You can see here we now have Bob over here. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to create your own character in Character AI. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.